YouTube, Southpaw Pete here. I just wanted to give you a little weird video here. See the poker chips, and I love everybody's poker chips. Those are awesome. And I just wanted to show you why I enjoy the poker chips so much. I also have, these are from a long time, $1 from the Atlantic City Hilton, $5 with Steven Shrippett, the Goomba's Guide to Life, it's a $5. This was a Sting concert, and this is the Hard Rock Casino in Las Vegas. It's a $5 Sting. $1 Bellagio in Las Vegas. The MGM Grand, Las Vegas. New York, New York, Las Vegas. Sorry, these aren't even in frame. This is Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada. Paris, Las Vegas, Bally's, $1. O'Shea's, Las Vegas. Circus, Las Vegas. Las Vegas Hilton. $1 at the Mirage. And this one, this one is $5 at Shalaris Casino in Aruba. This is $5 at the Harley Davidson Casino. This is a Caesar's Palace, $1 actual metal token. And this one is an MGM. Is this an MGM? Yeah. This is an MGM Grand metallic coin. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking out my collection. I do like poker chips. Besides everybody's really cool ones, I've been collecting for a while. Take care.